What's good, people? It's your boy RB. Today we're doing something a little bit different. So thanks to the lovely people over at Bleat PR, we've been given some gaming headsets to review and cover for the channel. First up, we've got the lovely Edifier GX Gaming Headset. So what we're going to be doing throughout the course of this video is an unboxing. We're going to go through the specs. We're going to talk about the pros and cons from the perspective of both a gamer and a musician. So I feel like it will be pretty unique. And we're also going to go over whether this is worth your money, because listen, the cost of living is going up and you can't be throwing your money about the place like you used to be able to. So stick with me, let's get into this. Now, before we get into the nitty gritty, I do want to ask that if you're enjoying yourself, please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, drop a comment, and just overall engage with this video, because it will allow me to continue bringing content like this to you. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, let's get started with the unboxing of the Edifier GX Gaming Headset. So right off the bat, it comes in your standard packaging, nothing special, nothing fancy, but it is compact, neat and tidy. The Edifier GX is in fact a wired gaming headset for those of you who didn't know, and it is designed for use with PC, Mac and all gaming consoles. This is actually achieved thanks to the 50mm driver, which is pretty much a standard across all devices. So of course, inside the box we get the headset itself with its stylish design. The blue lights only come on when the headset is plugged in, so keep that in mind. Alongside the headset itself, we're going to get 3 different cables. We get one Type-C cable, one 3.5mm jack, one USB cable. In regards to the microphone, it's actually hidden inside the headset itself, and I really love this. It means while you're watching a movie, recording some music or practicing the piano, you don't have to fiddle with the microphone, just, trying to get it out of your face, unlike with many other gaming headsets. The microphone itself does have a filter to remove background noise, which works surprisingly well. When I tested it in the party chat with my friends, they couldn't hear a thing in the background. And if you're wondering how to control the volume on the headset, it's done on the side using this volume dial and mute button. First off, let's talk about the positives for the Edifier GX Gaming Headset. The GX has a sleek and stylish design, and it looks great and feels comfortable for the long gaming and music sessions that I've been having throughout the week. So the ear cups are padded and the headband is pretty well cushioned, so you won't feel too much discomfort while you're gaming for long periods of time. That's definitely a good look, because I've used quite a lot of headsets over the years and some of them really create a lot of pressure on my head top and around my ears. I have not experienced that with these headsets as of yet. So in regards to sound quality, the Edifier GX does a really good job for the price. The drivers found within provide a rich quality, your bass is booming, it's impactful, and you got a lot of clarity as well. So definitely a thumbs up in regards to sound. The built-in microphone does a really good job as well. Feedback from a couple of my mates while we're in the party chat is it comes out clear, there's no distortion, it's not too bassy, it's not too thin, it's just about right. So thumbs up there as well. The built-in microphone does a really good job of picking up your voice. I didn't notice too much background noise in my recordings, and it's just nice to be built in. However, seeing as this is what I would consider a budget gaming headset, there are a few negatives that you need to be aware of. So the GX doesn't have a lot of other features that would be provided with headsets such as the Astro A50s, for example. Can't customize the EQ, you just pretty much get what you're given right out the box. There's also no surround sound for those of you who are interested in stuff like that. Now, while those 2 features aren't necessary, they are nice to have. It's always good to be able to customize your stuff. So in that regard, it could be a bit of a deal breaker for some. For others, I would say don't worry. So another positive is that the microphone can just be tucked away inside the headphones itself. I don't really see that too often with other gaming headsets. A lot of the time you have to rotate it and flick it upwards or detach it completely, leaving a hole in the headset. Whereas with this one, as I said, it can just be neatly tucked away without much hassle. That's a big thumbs up. Overall, I would say the Edifier GX is a very good option for those of you who are on a budget, don't want to spend too much for a gaming headset. Maybe it's your first one, maybe it's your second, maybe it's just a replacement. I would recommend it. Now, these headsets do lack a bit of the bells and whistles that come with higher end gaming headsets. However, that's not a deal breaker because the sound is good, it's comfortable, and it does what it says on the tin. It does what it needs to do. So just keep that in mind if you are considering buying these headsets. I suppose I'd say this is definitely something to consider buying for a newer gamer, somebody who's not had too many headsets in the past, wouldn't know what they're doing in regards to customizing EQ and so on and so forth. Literally just take it out of the box and use it. It's good. It's good. Once again, thank you to Bleat PR for sending these headphones over to be reviewed. I'm gonna get back to gaming, so until the next time I do another video, take care of yourselves. Peace.